Today we'll learn about the special items of income expenditure account and their accounting. The non-profit organizations, although they do not work for profit motive, but they for the record of their revenue and expenses they prepare the income and expenditure account. While preparing income expenditure account, there are certain items which require special accounting. So these items are, number first one is the entrance fees. The entrance fees is a major source of income of any non-profit organizations. Although it is an income, but it has to be treated specially. In case of organizations like club and charitable trust, the amount of entrance fees is quite high. Therefore, it is treated as a capital item, a capital receipt, and is not transferred to income expenditure account, although it is income of the NPO, but it is transferred to capital fund and is taken down to the balance sheet. But in case of institutions like education institutions, the amount of entrance fee is not very high. It is of a very small amount. Therefore, it is treated as a regular income of the NPO and transferred to the income side of the non-profit organization. Second source of income of a non-profit organization which requires special treatment is donations. Donation is a sort of gift in cash or property received from some person or organization. Usually it appears in the receipt side of receipt and payment account, but while recording in the income expenditure account, it requires special accounting. For accounting in an income expenditure account, we can classify donation into two groups. First one is the specific donation, and second one is the general donation. General donation, as it indicates, these are the donations which are to be utilized to promote the general purpose of the organization. Therefore, these are treated as revenue receipt, as it is a regular source of income. Hence, it is taken to the income side of income expenditure account. General donations are taken to the income side of income expenditure account. Specific donations. Specific donations are received for specific purposes. Therefore, it is known as specific donations. Purpose may be for extension of the building, construction of new computer lab, creation of a book bank, etc. Such donation therefore are to be treated as a capital item and shown on the liability side of balance sheet, irrespective of the fact whether the amount is big or small. Third special item of non-trading organization is legacy. Legacy is the amount which passes to a trust after the death of a person in whose memory the trust is formed. Thus, legacy is the one-time and non-recurring receipt. It thus becomes a part of the capital fund and it is treated as a capital fund and transferred to the liability side of the balance sheet. Number 4 is endowments or endowment funds. This is the amount that is received in the form of donation but has to be utilized as per the direction of the donor. Means the non-profit organization cannot utilize it as it likes. It has to be utilized only as per the direction of the donor. Thus, it is a capital receipt and is not transferred to income expenditure account, although it is an income, but it is transferred to the balance sheet. Number 5. Fifth special item is life membership fees. Some members prefer to pay a lump sum amount in the form of life membership fee instead of paying it on a periodic basis. So, if the life membership fees is paid in a lump sum amount, it is treated as a capital receipt and it is directly transferred to the capital fund in the balance sheet. Next item for special treatment is subscriptions. Subscription is the amount which a member pays every year as the membership fees. To the organization. These are the major revenue receipts and also a major source of income of any NPO. Sometimes subscription is received for any specific purpose. For example, tournaments or maybe construction of a building or construction of a pavilion, etc. In that case, it cannot be treated as a revenue income, and it is treated as a capital receipt and shown on the liability side of balance sheet.